Welcome to the ninth lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 1. Today we will be writing a knit spec for 7-gauge striped set-in sweater with fashioning mark at back, European shoulder, and grading options. Select the appropriate template. We will be using set-in sleeve, back. Let's start with removing adjustments for neckline width. Use formula to adjust back neckline bottom. Remove fixed adjustment for body length before editing the back armhole height, as we are doing stripes for this style. This is the formula for back armhole, straight. This is the formula for armhole, straight. Remove fixed adjustment for back shoulder slant and edit the formula. Right-click on the top armhole segment and add a node on line. This node acts as a marker for linking between the front panel and back panel. Set the measurements accordingly. The length of the segment that folds backward should use the following formula. Sleeve end should use the following formula. Right-click on sleeve end segment. Select Make a Pointelle. Count from center to make mirrored markers. Set measurement of the marker to match the length of back. Mark height we just created. Add fixed adjustment for seam allowance. Remove vertical adjustments as we are doing stripes. Edit the formula for sleeve cap height as follows. Cancel all unnecessary fixed adjustments, and let's move on to knitting rules. Make sure to check same on front and back panels for the stripes to match. Select 4-stitch fashioning mark, first stitch without fashioning mark, 2-stitch miss for the back shoulder slant knitting instruction. This would make the edge looser and make linking easier. It is recommended that the number of end stitches should match the last step of narrowing knitting rule stitch count. Let's move on to stripe setup. Check the panels that have stripes. Select the color of the stripe and input the number of revolutions. We usually start at the bottom of the panel. Right-click and insert another stripe above. Repeat until all stripes are set up. Click Define, repeat to set up the repeat. Refer each stripe using their index, the leftmost column. Note that a repeat can contain another repeat in it. Check Back Panel equals Front Panel to copy stripe setup from Front Panel. This would automatically match stripes at armhole. Do the same for sleeve. Go to Grading and Size tab and click Size Setup. In this window, check all the sizes, S, M, L, or input the numerical sizes, 34, 36, 38, for the order and click Generate. Check Difference on the right-hand side to change to difference mode. In this mode, when you input 2 in the measurement of any of the new sizes you created, all other sizes measurement will be updated by the difference 2. Select Measurement Mode when done to check the actual measurement of each size. Click Grading and select all sizes and panels that needs to be graded. The Knit-spec, along with stripe setup for each size, will be generated automatically. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.